In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $35,150 in commission just in 90 days promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without any website and without any paid ads. Okay, I will share with you guys my methods. I will share with you step by step how we can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how we can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $11,250 available in my balance. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to scroll down like this and go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can really make so much money. Okay, this is the best and the profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page. So what you will do, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country, choose your language over here, and put your Skype. If you don't have Skype, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. As you can see, the sign up process is super easy, anyone can sign up. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, so how you can choose good and profitable services? So what you will do, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. Okay, go and open your YouTube homepage. It's really super easy. And so why I choose to promote my affiliate links on YouTube? So because did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? Okay, that's a really big number, guys. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific products on YouTube. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. There is so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click over here on the search and ask questions. So for example, I will ask how to grow, for example. Let's say how to grow Pinterest. Let's say for example how to grow Pinterest, and here you go. People YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. As you can see over here, people are searching for how to grow Pinterest account, how to grow Pinterest followers. Okay, how to grow Pinterest views. What you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, click over here on the search for Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest marketing. Okay, or Pinterest grow. You can search for Pinterest marketing or Pinterest grow. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's see if we can find good seller here. For example, like this one. This one is really looking good. Okay, level 2 seller. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will be Pinterest marketing manager to grow your business. Looking really good. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. what you will do next, you will copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, it's super easy. So what you will do, before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page and we will click on his video. He is good. So this video, what you will do, you will double click on the video and you will click on save video as, save this video to your laptop. Okay, like this. I will name it, for example, Pinterest Grow, for example. Click on save. Okay, after you do that, you will go back to Google and you will search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and it's for free. So just click over here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload. Click on upload file. Okay, and upload your video. Okay, this is my video. Upload this video to your Canva account. Click on your video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point and click on set video as background. Okay, click over here on text. Scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use. I will use, for example, this one, like this, and click over here on this text, delete this one and make this one, decrease the font size of this text, put this text here, double click on the text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description, like this. Make it small and here you go. Put this text here, click over here on elements and click on shape. Okay, click on color and choose black color. Okay, and click on this shape and put this shape behind your text. Okay, like this. And here you go. Click on your video and just decrease the background music to 0. Okay, we don't want any background music, it's just annoying. Okay, so I will click. So let's check this video now. It's a really good. Okay, so people who will watch this video and people who are searching for how to grow Pinterest account, they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, they will see this video over here. They will see this check link in my description and we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, and that's it. So after you finish, click on share. Click over here on share. Click on download and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, after you finish, go to your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, use this keyword. Okay, how to grow Pinterest account. Okay, the same keywords. Okay, those keywords should be in your title, how to grow Pinterest account, because people who are using those keywords, they will find your video in search results. Okay, if you are not using those keywords, your video will never rank in search results and you will not get any sales or make any money. Okay, you need to use those keywords, how to grow Pinterest account. Okay, upload this video to your YouTube channel, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, Fiverr Pro or Fiverr CPA. If you don't have this old plan, you can use the new plan. Okay, copy your affiliate link from here, go to your YouTube channel, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. If you don't know how to do it exactly, I will leave a link in my description below for a video showing you step by step how you can do it. Okay, so you can check this video and that's it. And by the way, guys, I want also to explain something, because I always get a lot of comment like this: why it's showing 0.0 in your impression and in your CTR. Let me explain to you why. So when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate program, if you scroll down over here, they will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here, okay? And if you put your website link here, then Fiverr affiliates will track your impression and your CTR, and you will start seeing numbers here, okay? But for me, I don't have any website, so I said no. So I don't have any website, okay? And that's it. So I just want to make this clear as well, okay? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.